How to make pepper spray for the garden. Pepper spray can be a useful garden tool, particularly to organic gardeners, who prefer to use no chemicals in their gardens. You can make your own pepper spray easily and inexpensively without the use of harsh, harmful chemicals. This garden pepper spray is effective for repelling insects, deer, dogs, cats and many rodents. Things you will need: disposable gloves, blender, coffee filter or cheesecloth, 8 Scotch bonnet or habanero peppers, 2 tablespoons cayenne pepper, cup ivory dishwashing liquid, glass jar with tight-fitting lid, funnel, plastic spray bottle. Put on disposable gloves before handling the Scotch bonnet or habanero peppers. These varieties can cause your skin to burn for days after handling them. Put the peppers in the blender and puree them. Add the cayenne pepper and 2 cups of water, and liquefy the mixture. Pour in the dishwashing liquid. This is an important ingredient, because it contains surfactants, which are wetting agents and will allow the solution to spread more easily. It will also make the pepper spray stick to the plants better. Blend thoroughly on the lowest setting to avoid excessive foaming from the detergent. Strain the pepper spray through a coffee filter or cheesecloth into a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. You can also store any unused solution in this jar. Set the end of the funnel into the plastic spray bottle. Funnel the pepper spray from the jar into the spray bottle. Cap the glass jar with the remaining pepper spray tightly and store in a cool, dark location. Apply a band of pepper spray to the ground around the perimeter of the garden. This will be helpful in repelling unwanted guests. Spritz the plants in the garden, and apply some to the ground surrounding each plant. Reapply the pepper spray each week. You'll also need to repeat applications after heavy rains.